Okay.
I'm gonna hang that piece of plywood up. I gotta install the insulation in the wall. I gotta get those up on the porch. Are you recording me?
No, I'm not. I have it facing towards me. Do you want me to record you? Why?
Because I don't like to be recorded.
You don't like being recorded? You don't want to show your face on camera? Are you sure I'm not recording you? Well, I'm about ready to do this. I got these put on. I bought these a while back ago. So bought these, put them on. Bought them like a year or two ago. Planning on putting them on. I haven't got to it yet. So I want to get hop under here. Let me get this out. Let me see what I need. Got these. So I'm gonna see what I need under here. I don't know. I'm trying this on my phone for now. Might work better. I don't know. Let me hop down here. Take my GoPro out. Alright. What do I need down here? Oh shit. Alright. Oh, this is gonna be easy. Oh, maybe not. This is not even hooked in. Wow. Okay. Alright. Alright. This is weird for me. Alright. Alright. That's better. I'm comfortable. Wow. I thought they would be. Nope. This. Yeah. How am I supposed to? I can't use the brackets for that. And this is gonna be ridiculous. Of course, everything is hard when I come to working on vehicles. This is why I'm a better builder than a fixer. Ew, that's gross. Yay. Grease. Look at all that shit. All that grease. That's all. Grease. I know what it's from. My power steering's leaking. My power steering pump's leaking. I just want to take this truck apart and start fixing it. I have no moolah. On to this. I really don't feel like taking the bumper off. Why? Why? Alright, let me get to it. Alright. Oh, it turned out to be a bust. I can't put them on where I wanted them to do. So I am going to stick them right there. Right there in between that. So, yeah. Right in there. Right in there, I'm going to have to cut. I have to cut some of this plastic off. You know. Went end up replacing the bumpers sometime. So I'm gonna try to get this done. I want this truck to look good. So this is a project in the making. Anyway, hope you can hear me pretty good because I'm on my phone. I don't have my speaker hooked up to it. Not speaker, microphone. It should be okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna get to it.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Video recording. All right, looks like crap, but anyway, looks like crap, but so I got to cut. I got those pieces off. I got to cut. It says I can show you. Let me get down to the ground here. I got to cut it off so I can fasten them to right there. This hole right there. Put it in there. So yeah, looks like crap. But anyway, I'm replacing the bumper anyway. Let me get one of those move bumpers for this. So give me one of those move bumpers. Sorry, I'm just like getting up off the ground. It's not really my forte, getting up on and up off the ground. So I'm gonna try to put them on. I'm gonna put the fog lights on, then we'll wire it up. All right, let me get to that. All right, we're gonna go in this hole right there. In that hole right here. I need to step it up a little bit. Step them up. You stepped up the holes with my step up bit. Good old Harbor Freight. Well, let me get that done. So then I need to put them in and wire them up. Anyway, so let me get that done.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a
Hi, let me do this again for the third time. You didn't stop on my freaking phone. So, I cut some more of it off. Right there. I cut some more of it off right there. It looks like shit. But I want to clean it up a lot. It took me a while to do this, but you know, those been sitting in my drawer for like ever, trying to get it done. Couldn't get it done, had surgeries and shit like that last year. And shit came up, working and stuff like that. Anyway, little ramble. So, just need to clean up a little bit right there. Clean it up. Looks like shit. I mean, looks like crap. But, you know, I have to clean it up a little bit. So, anyway, let me get to it. And then I want to wire it up. I haven't wired them up yet. That's my last thing to do. Just putting those on. Wiring up. Alright, let me get to it.
good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely.
Alright. That is done. All they need to be tightened up on there. So, anyway, got them on. Let's see if I do this without hitting stop. So, I got them on. Trim that up a little bit. So, anyway, they look good on there for now. I go alright. Probably in an 03, and I'm going to change the bumper in the next year, maybe 6 months. Hopefully 6 months before fall, summer and fall. That's my goal. That's my goal, to get my new bumpers on front and back. I don't know what I'm about to do about the engine yet. It's leaking power steering fluid. Not bad, but it's all over the freaking bottom of the engine. So, anyway, let me wire these bitches up. Why am I cussing? I don't want to cuss. I guess I'm just a little working hard and I just start, my filter goes. Anyway, let me wire these things up. Anyway, we use the factory harnesses. You'll see, I'll put it, we'll get under there in a few minutes and I'll show you. Oh my, what a day. Anyway, so got them on. My thing right now has no freaking fuse in it. This damn truck's been tinkered on, half-witted, whatever you want to call it, before me. I'm tinkering on it, you know. Now I need to get fuses for a fog light panel. It takes one of those gray boxes or black boxes. Oh, let me get in here. Oh, almost fell down. Oh, kicked over my drill. That won't be the first time I kicked over my drill. So, let me see if I can get in here with my camera. Seriously? Oops! Anyway, let me switch you over here. It goes right there. Oh, yeah, it goes right there. So, yeah. This one. Which sucks. So it's going to be another day, because I really don't feel like wearing wires and putting another... No. But I got done what I wanted to do today, I guess. It is what it is. And it's just another day, another lifetime, another day in my life. So that's what I get thinking about, you know. It happens. Anyway. At least I got everything on. So, everything on. At least they're on. It looks like shit, but you know. Get the fuse sometime, maybe, to go price them. Look on AutoZone. So, yeah. It is what it is. At least I got those on. They're half done. So. Alright. Let me clean up and start putting my stuff away. Just another day. This damn truck. I just want to take it apart, work on it. Well, that leaves me without no vehicle. I'm guessing part 2's coming up on putting my fog lights on. I guess this is a wrap for this video. And I'm not good at these things, so you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later. I'm out.